Good morning, chickens! Welcome to another product review, monthly product review. So for today, i-review natin yung dalawang toners ng Derma Republic, my most favorite toners. Ito yung glycolic acid 7%, which are the AHA, and ito namang 2% salicylic acid, yung BHA. So ito yung mga exfoliating toners, chemical peels. So, bakit tayo kailangan mag-toner or mag-exfoliating toners? Kasi para ma-remove yung mga acne scars from hormonal acne girlies or mga acne girlies like me, acne boyses like me. So, kailangan natin mag-exfoliate ng skin para nga ma-remove yung mga dead skin cells and to reveal a new surface of our skin. So, yun. I'll show you my routine on how to use the salicylic acid and glycolic acid. But before that, a few information muna about this one. So again, these are exfoliating toners. Main job nito is mag-exfoliate ng dead skin cells, ma-remove yung acne scars para mag-fade away na siya. But for acne, hormonal girly like me, yung pabalik-balik pa ulit-ulit yung mga acne ko. So, medyo nahihirapan talaga ako mag-remove ng mga acne scars kasi nga tinutubuan ng bagong pimple yung acne scar na supposedly mag-heal na siya. Then this is my current skin as of Sunday, February 9. So you can see a little redness here, but the acne scars are really fading away. An active pimple, okay, 9 days away na ako sa akong period. 9 days before my period starts. Then, ganyan lang siya. And what do you expect na ma-feel nyo sa skin nyo is makaka-feel kayo ng sting sa skin nyo, but more stingy talaga si glycolic acid ko. Hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit sa aking skin kasi nakakasunog talaga siya ng skin ko. I'm more on the salicylic acid 2% BHA toner. And hindi ko na siya ginagamitan ng toner pads or na cotton pads. Directly, I apply it sa skin ko. Mga 2 to 3 drops each side. So, just avoid the eye area kasi mahapdi siya sa eyes. And apply it lang dyan. And this can really help remove or control, especially if may active pimple kayo. Grabe talaga yung acne control ng salicylic acid na to. I super love it, especially if mag-exfoliate na yung skin ko. So just rub it there, and yung consistency niya is super watery niya. Ayan. Napaka-watery ng salicylic acid. It doesn't smell. And yung prices ng mga toners nila is like 130 plus for salicylic acid and 140 something or 150 something for glycolic acid. So, super mura. Below 200 pesos lang yung mga toners nila, and you could get like super generous amount like this one. Unopened na salicylic acid toner. Napakapuno. One bottle would last for 2 to 3 months depending on gaano kadami yung mag-use nyo. So, after mag-set ng salicylic acid, is mga after niya mag-dry, napaka niya sa skin, napaka-soft ng skin mo. It's a little sting kasi may mga active pimples ako sa face, but it's super soft. Glycolic acid, hindi ko siya masyado ginagamit sa face kasi nga it's super sting. But this is perfect for whitening your underarm and removing body odor. So, as a deodorant and as a armpit whitener, ito lang yung purpose ng glycolic acid sa akin. But it's still super good if you're looking for something na mag-whiten ng underarms nyo or to... Wala, nahulog! Oh, nahulog siya pero hindi siya nabasag. So, ganun siya kalakas yung bottles ng... Oh my God. Nahulog siya pero it's a glass bottle. Nahulog pero hindi nabasag. Oh, ayan. Bilhin na kayo ng Derma Republic Serum. Niacinamides. Perfect 5%. Then, yun. Ito na yung skin ko. After na mag-set, after mag-dry ng salicylic acid, you go ahead and apply your favorite serum. Again, dito tayo sa niacinamide, 5%. It can really help with your acne problems. So, yun lang for my video for today. I hope you can find the best toners for you, but please do try Derma Republic products. These are local brands, perfect formulated for Philippine skin and weather. That's all. Bye!